What's up guys, my name is Neff and this video is gonna be about creating a YouTube channel art, or it was commonly known as a YouTube banner. I think you can also use this video to create a Twitch banner. So yeah, let's get on with this. First thing I have to mention is this is the channel I did or just created, so there's absolutely nothing here. And I'm still using the incognito tab because if I don't, we'll end up going to my channel. So there you go. So first things first, if you're going to create a YouTube channel art, there's gonna be some trial and error stuff, and sometimes you might need a editing or picture or editing software. And I've done that before. It is kind of hard because the size before, when it comes to the YouTube channel art, it's kind of hard to guess. You can find other videos about it, like they even using Adobe Photoshop with the lines and the grids and all those stuff. Now I'm assuming assume you don't have much experience when it comes to editing a picture. Me, I only know the basics in terms of using Adobe Photoshop. I'm not an expert, but I also I had a hard time creating a YouTube channel art. But just I think 3 months ago, I'm happy with what I have here. And what I used to create this, I'm gonna show it to you. You can go to Google or you can search this .com. Now, before I continue with this part of the video, I'm gonna have to say, number one, Canva.com, they don't know who I am. They're not paying me to do this video. I'm just using their website because it's really easy to use. And they have a lot of templates here, a lot of pictures. Since I'm only using the free version, there is a limit to what I can do. So if you want to go ahead, subscribe to them. Of course, there's gonna be money involved. You're gonna end up paying a subscription. Go ahead, but there's a lot of templates here you can use. You can even see below your designs, the designs that you use, the designs that I use. If I click this, it's gonna open what I have for my channel. The other one, this one, is what I have for my Facebook gaming account, but I don't really use that much, so I've been ignoring it. Yeah, from here you have different options you can pick. I even made my resume here. It's really good, a really good website, so thumbs up for Canva.com. Now of course this is what we're after. Now if you click this, it will give you a lot of options, a lot of templates. Actually there's a lot of them here. So if you click the one at the menu, it's gonna show it's completely empty, but you can pick some here. You can pick this. That's what it's gonna look like. Then you can just edit this, right? Double click it, type what you want. This thing, channel art. Go. Now I'm gonna save this. You can even share a link and go download. Now this is the size that you will need when you're creating a YouTube channel art if you're not using this website. Why is that? If you can go, I'm gonna go to my channel here. If you look at this, really small, but the picture is really big. It's that big. Why? It will look different when the viewer is on a mobile phone, on a tablet, on an ultra wide monitor, and just a browser. It really looks different. Other websites, like for example a website for a video game, they have something in their source code or in their codes for the website that will adjust based on where it's being viewed. If it's being viewed on, say, a mobile phone, say an Android or iPhone, then you have your phone set to landscape or just holding it up. it will show you this kind of picture, and or the same picture but on a different size. So you need to use this size. All right, don't change it, leave it to default. You can either save it as PNG, of course, higher quality. JPEG quality might suffer, but size is gonna be smaller, and there's a limit to how big the file is gonna be, or the file size is, when you're uploading, be it YouTube, Facebook, or whatever platform or social media you're planning to upload. So we're gonna do this. Download. See, you have a chance to do a free trial if you want to, or you can just continue editing. Then it's gonna go here. I actually tried to do one for Secure Shadow Site twice. I removed this. So we're gonna go here, show in folder. So I have a certain folder for browser downloads, like pictures and stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this. Of course, the path it's gonna be different on your computer, since for me, I have an SSD for the C. I have 2 SSDs and 1 hard drive. So we're now gonna go to testing channel, and from here, customize. If you're going to change the YouTube channel art or even anything here, even just the about area, you click customize channel. And we're gonna go back to the customize channel part. Now here, you see even here, it will show you laptop, screen, mobile. So if we're gonna click add art, you can just drag a photo here. And you can see even here, YouTube will show you what it looks like before, like seriously before this doesn't exist. Like seriously, you have to do it again and again to make sure the name is right smack in the middle, or it's in a position you want people to see. So you can adjust and crop. You can auto enhance. These features are actually new. I think I only started seeing this late last year, late 2019. So yeah, you also have an option for your gallery. That's the only picture you have. So yeah, some defaults if you want to, but again, I'm just gonna go ahead with this. Might take a while depending on your internet connection also. So I'm gonna hit select, gonna save, and there you go. That easy. If you're going to use canva.com, it's that easy. Of course, if you want custom, if you want to change things here, I highly suggest you go blank or use a blank template. But what I did to make sure it's positioned in the right way or right in the middle, so you can see here, is I used one of the templates, and this is what I actually used. The things that you can see here, recently used, it is gonna show up here. So what I did was, I'm gonna delete these. Then you can add a background. Now for this guy, I highly suggest for now you click this. So just move your mouse, top right hand side, click lock. You can't move it, you can't change it, you can't change the name. It's gonna stay up there. Now we're gonna go to one of my beloved games. We're gonna go to Secure Shadow Site twice. Some websites for video games, they have a gallery. You can see here, best example. So we're gonna hit gallery. Some of them you can just download and click. You see here, I used this one. I used this and I just made some changes. It looked dumb. So yeah, thinking. Of course, let's see. And I don't have a script for doing this video, by the way, just in case you want to know. The one thing you also have to pick, that's why I selected just a black background. It's because it's, of course, if you're gonna write something, and there's a lot of things going on in the background. It's gonna be hard to see, so you might want to consider that, right? Let's say I'm gonna pick this one. Then from here, it might be different for other websites, for other game websites, but you can just download. If you don't want to use a picture of a game, say your channel is not gonna be about video games. Mine's about mostly video games. Just Google, say, penguin. I misspelled penguin. That's stupid. Penguin. Click images, and we can pick a penguin, right? What the heck? Let's see. I hope there's nothing inappropriate that shows up. Or if you're afraid of copyright, you can actually search copy right free images. Even have one for YouTube, not music. Copyright images for YouTube. Now there are websites there. XPay, where to find royalty free. That's another term for copyright. Images, you have these is Shutterstock. I can't remember if the one I'm using now has a copyright or not, to be honest with you, but I like it. I mean, I like Maneki Nekos. That's what this is called. The Maneki Nekos. It's to be a lucky cat. So yeah, just a quick info. If the left hand is up for Maneki Neko, that's attracting customers. If it's the right side, it's for good luck for business. So this is me trying to give myself good luck. Aside from it's cute. It's cute. Maneki Nekos are usually cute. But from here, say I'm gonna use the Secure Shadow Site Twice picture. So from here, there's gonna be add notes, copy the page. I copied the page. That's why I have two of these. See here. So this is the one I use for my Facebook gaming channel. I don't really pay attention to that anymore. So yeah, from here, channel art. We're gonna go ahead. I know you can drag and drop, not you. See, there you go. It's easy to drag and drop things. So you can just move this. Of course, if you're going to try and stretch the picture, if the picture is not high quality, it might suffer. So yeah, that's a problem. From here, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna unlock you and not ungroup. I'm gonna copy you. Just, I know there's gonna be a way to move that below, but just for the sake of it, I'm gonna delete you, crash it. You're gonna use Secure Shadow Site twice, and we're gonna add the text ourselves. So we'll go here, add a heading right there. It's right in the middle, right? Same place as the text earlier. You can pick some, what it's gonna look like right there. But of course, if you want to make your own, crash the whole thing. So from here, let's pick Alex. Pick a different one. So just from here, you can delete everything here, or highlight testing channel. Then top left hand side, click it, change it to a different text right there. Can't remember what I used for mine. Edo. Okay, let's try that one. Edo. So it will immediately change it. Then you can adjust size. I know mine is big, but this is 88. So we'll go. There we go. Testing channel. Now, of course, this whole thing won't show once this is uploaded. Testing channel. That position, I know it's good enough. It's gonna work. So once you're done, click here. Download PNG. Again, don't change the size. Just leave it the default. Click download. Of course, I'm not rich. I'm gonna go continue editing. And we're here, so we're gonna go back to our testing channel. And once you already have one here, if you want to change it, then you're at this page, top right, click this icon that looks like a pen or pencil, edit channel art. And again, you can either select a photo from your computer, so this will open a small window so you can browse your computer, or again, just to make your life easier, drag and drop it. That's one. And if we do this, it's gonna move away. I'm just gonna click away so it will take it this one. Then it shows you what it looks like, right? That's also the good thing about canva.com. If you delete some of the text, you just click to add the text, then it will just add it in the middle where you can immediately see right here. So we're gonna select that. There you go. Now sometimes, and I know it's gonna be weird, it happened to me. I changed my channel art. Then when I went back to my channel, it was still showing the old YouTube channel art. Don't panic if that happens to you. It's gonna take a few seconds or a minute just for it to apply the changes. Same thing with the name, same thing with the picture. The picture part will now involve your Google account. If you want to change it or you want to change your name. Yeah. So we're done here. Now what if the picture doesn't follow the size that YouTube recommends? What if it doesn't follow this size right here? So it's 2560 by 1440p. Now we'll try this. We'll go to the Secure Shadow Slide Twice picture. If you remember, I had to resize the picture. You will get a warning. The photo you uploaded is too small. It must be at least 2048 pixels wide and 1152 pixels tall. So you can click dismiss and it won't let you. Or say, what if you just, if ever it works, and it actually worked for me before, just brute force it, or just for some reason it just allowed me to upload my previous channel art. It's gonna have like a border, like a black border. It's like you'll have the picture right in the middle, but there's gonna be something left. So if your viewer is trying to view your channel on a ultra K or say an ultra wide monitor, it's not gonna look good. It's really not gonna look that good. It's gonna have like a blank space somewhere, like somewhere, so it's not gonna look good for your audience. So we're gonna go back. I'm gonna cancel this and we're gonna edit here. So again, you can create a YouTube channel art without getting too complicated, without getting editing software, picture editing software. go to canva.com. I highly recommend them. If you also want to create a resume or other things here, poster, logo, video, infographic, you can use their website. They're really good. Again, they're not paying me to say this, but I can highly recommend it. Really, it's a really great website, easy to use. So easy to use. It's such a no-brainer. You can see here. Didn't even take 5 minutes for me to create this, right? So like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and if you want to find out more about how to start a channel, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.